Yes, good morning. My name is Yogesh, and we are doing standard 11th statistics. Yes, we are doing chapter number 3 in statistics, and we have done mode in the last lecture. Mode when classes are given. I told you that what you need to do, you need to take the maximum frequency as FM. The digit above maximum frequency is F1. The digit below maximum frequency is F2. And you have to take the formula mode is equal to L plus Fm minus F1 upon 2Fm minus F1 minus F2 into C. C is for class length and L is for load length. Now this is the very simple and common formula. But if I ask you the question that in the same sum, just I'm asking you the question, solution I'll give you in this lecture. If I ask you the question that this 14 is highest frequency, just just for a second, assume that this 14 comes in the last class, or you can say highest frequency come in the last class. Let's take example as highest is 16, and 16 comes here. Okay. Now, if you term this 16 as FM, for example, you term this 16 as FM. If you term this 16 as FM, what you will term as F2? What you will do? There is no F2 now. The same way, if I tell you, the same way if I tell you that this highest frequency is in the first class. Okay, let's the 16 be first class. You will term this 16 as FM. Then what will be the F1? So again there is a question, then what you will do? Next question. Suppose assume that this 14 is a frequency highest here in this sum. Okay. Let us assume that one more 14 is there. It's not necessary in which class. Let be in middle or somewhere, not in the last. Okay. For example, there are 2 times the 14 here. 14. Now what will you do? There are 2 FM. How will you solve the sum? Okay. See, the answer is with me, I'll tell you. But questions are complicated. Okay, you should think that, sir, if in this type of situation, what you will do. Okay. Now, these are the cases which I told you. These are the cases when mode is undefined. What it is known as? It is known as when mode is undefined. When mode is undefined. What are the situations when mode is undefined? So this is our today's topic. You got my point? This is our today's topic. What are the situations when mode is undefined? When maximum frequency, that is FM, is in first or last class. When maximum frequency is in first or last class. When maximum frequency is repeated. And one more condition is there. When classes are unequal. Okay, when maximum frequency is in first or last class, when maximum frequency is repeated, and when classes are unequal. Okay, so these are the three cases when mode is undefined. So you have to remember these 3 points. I'll tell you that why you have to remember. When mode is undefined, in three cases mode is undefined. When maximum frequency is in first or last class, when maximum frequency is repeated, and when classes are unequal. Okay, in this case, we will not use formula of L plus Fm. We will not use the formula of that L plus Fm. Full formula L plus Fm minus F1 upon 2 Fm. You all know that formula. In this case, we will not use that formula. Then what we'll do, sir? We will use the empirical formula. What we'll do? We'll use the empirical formula. Now, this empirical formula is, now what is this empirical formula? Okay, this empirical formula you all are doing in your previous standards also, maybe in 10th. In short, you have heard this empirical formula. What is this empirical formula, sir? It is mode is equal to 3 into median minus 2 into mean. So what is this? Just wait. Mode is equal to Cm minus 2 x bar. Okay, this is the formula which you have done in your lower standards. Mode is equal to Cm minus 2 x bar. So if mode is undefined, that is that three conditions are satisfied in the question, you have to use this formula instead of that. Now this is compulsory. Compulsory, if you see any of the conditions of that mode is undefined, then you are going to use this formula. If none of the conditions satisfy, that means if you cannot see any of that mode is undefined, then you have to use the above formula, that is L plus Fm. I am repeating this sentence because I want to clarify that there is no option in the formula. It's not like you can use this or you can use that. You have to use that formula, above formula first. And if these three conditions satisfy, then and then only you need to use this empirical formula. Okay. Now, this empirical formula is derived from a comparison. Just for your knowledge, I am teaching you. Just for your knowledge, there is a comparison called mean minus mode. Mean minus mode is equal to 3 into mean minus median. So it's 3 into mean minus median. So this is the comparison. This is the original formula, you can say. Now if you will change this formula, or if you will solve this formula, okay, let us solve. Mean minus mode is equal to 3 mean minus 3 median Now if you shift that mean and median in this side and mode to that side on the right hand side, you will find mean minus 3 mean plus 3 median is equal to mode. I want to find mode, so mode should be my subject. Mean minus 3 means minus 2 mean plus 3 median plus 3 median is equal to mode. Now if you arrange this in a proper manner or proper order, it's 3 median minus 2 mean is equal to mode. So mode is 3m minus 2x. So we found this formula. I told you that this formula should be done in three conditions. Okay, when highest frequency is in first or last class, highest frequency is repeated, or if classes are unequal. So we are doing illustration number 35. The time between placing an order and its delivery was noted for a certain wholesaler as follows. Find the mode for this. Time in hours, that is 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, and 50 to 50. Number of orders is 2575673. So let us write the question. Illustration 35. Time in hour is given. Twenty to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 55, 55 to 50, 50 to then number of orders. It's 2, 5, 7, 5, 6, 7, 3. You know what is the difference here? You have to derive from the question that 7 is the maximum frequency and maximum frequency is 2 times. 7 is the maximum frequency and maximum frequency is 2 times. So if maximum frequency is 2 times, that means you will not use that formula L plus Fm. What you will use? You will be using the empirical formula, that is 3m minus 2x bar. Okay, 3m is 3 into median. So the very first step which we will be finding is to find the median. Okay, so let us find the median. Now what is median? Median is value of n upon tooth observation. When classes are given, your median will be value of n upon tooth observation. So median is value of. Now what is n? So you need to find n. We are finding median, so I need to find CFI also. So let's find the CFI. You will get total of frequency automatically. So it's 2, 7, 14, 19, 25, 32 and 35. Let's check again. 2, 7, 14, 19, 25, 32 and 35. Okay. Okay. So my n, that is total frequency, is 35. Okay. So 35 by tooth observation. Now my median is value of 17.5 observation. Okay. So now my median will be value of 17.5 observation. Now where this 17.5 observation will belong? Your 17.5 observation will belong here to this particular class, that is 35 to 40. So what you will be doing, I'll be writing lower boundary, that is 35. N by 2 is with me. You can see here, that is 17.5. Then CFI we always take of the previous class. Frequency we always take same class, and class length equal to 5. So this data I need to find the median now. So now let us find the median. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus PFI upon Fi into C. So median is equal to, what is L here? 35 plus n by 2, 17.5 minus CFI upon Fi into median is equal to 35 plus, so it's 35 plus 3.5 into 5 upon 5. So we'll cut that 5 and 5 up and down. Okay. So my median is 35 plus 3.5, that is 38.5. Okay. Median is 38.5. Now I need to find mean. What I'll find? I'll find mean now. Mean is what? Mean is sigma fi xi upon n. It's sigma fi xi upon n. Now for sigma fi xi, you need to find fi into xi. Okay. For this sigma fi xi, you need to find fi into xi. Now fi is with you. This number of orders is your frequency. You don't have xi. Then what we'll do, sir? Obviously, we'll find the xi. Okay, obviously we will find the xi. So how we'll find the xi? It's 22.5, 27.5, 32.5, 37.5, 42.5, 47.5, 52. Then fi. Now, how will I find this fi(xi)? So I'll multiply this xi into fi. See, you can see in the textbook they have done a different formula. This formula we have not solved, or we have not done this formula of di. There is no need to solve this with this method. You can solve with another method and you can get the same answer. Okay. So let us solve with our method fi(xi). Okay. So fi is 2, xi is 22.5. So it's 2 into 22.5, 45. Then 27.5 into 5, 137.5. Then 32.5 into 7, which is 227.5. Then 37.5 into 5, it is 187.5. 42.5 into 6, 255. 47.5 into 7, 332.5. Then 52.5 into 3, 157.5. Now what is the total of this FIXI? 45 plus 137.5 plus 227.5 plus 187.5 plus 255 plus 332.5 plus 157. It's 1342.5. So my total is 1342. So it's 1342 upon, what is this n? N is 35. Now if you solve this, you are getting the answer 38.36. We can check the mean. The answer is 38.36. Okay, this is the mean answer. It is 38.36. Okay. Now we got both the answer. Okay, I got mean as, I got mean as 38.36 and median as 38.5. So my mode is equal to Cm minus 2x bar. So my mode is equal to 3 into m, that is 3 into 38.5 minus 2 into 38.30, Cm minus 2x bar. Now let us solve this. What is this 38.5 into 3? 38.5 into 3. It's 115.5 minus 38.36 into 2. 76.72. This is 115.5 minus 76.72. So it's 38.78. Our mode is 38.78, and this 38.78 is hours. Okay. What is this? It is a time taken for number of orders. So we'll be writing that mode for the time between placing of order and delivery is 38.78 hours. Okay. Mode for time between placing of order and delivery is 38.78 hours. So what we have done today? We have done today the empirical formula. I told you that when to use this empirical formula when mode is undefined. When mode is undefined, sir, when maximum frequency is was to last class, when maximum frequency is repeated, and when classes are un. Okay. In this cases, we will be using the sorry. In this cases, we will be using the empirical formula. What is empirical formula? It's mode is equal to 3m minus 2x square. So you need to find the median, mean, and then okay, we have done illustration 35 today. We'll be doing the same topic in the next lecture. Thank you.